Okay, number 4, sound effects. Sound effects are a great way to take your footage to the next level, and the possibilities are endless. You could use a whoosh sound effect to transition from one clip to another. You could use them to make your shot more dramatic. You could even use them to make something that would ordinarily be quite boring, like picking up a phone, and make it look and sound much more interesting. Also, did you notice we combined techniques there? Not only did we use a whoosh sound effect to pick up the phone, but we started with a speed ramp.